Hello, everybody. Language plays a very, very important role in the development of intelligence and human activities. In fact, it has been one of the major reasons of the development of the human civilization. In Indian philosophy, we have the concepts of Shabd Brahman and Nama Rupa, where the idea is that the language shapes the universe as we understand it. Language shapes the way we think, and it determines what we think about. It is the vehicle of communication. It is the vehicle of social interaction. It gives the tools for thinking, learning, specialization. It is the main vehicle for innovation, for research, for development of philosophy, for development of culture, for development of order, self-reflection, and so on. So it is very important that the attempts to develop artificially intelligent systems put language at the core. And that is what these large language models like GPT have been trying to do and have finally come out with very fascinating results. With their very large models based on the text that are trained on a very huge body of text, they can help us solve a variety of problems. They can help us develop expressions for communication. They can help us develop expressions for cultural expressions. They can help us self-reflect. They can help us develop ideas. They can help us refine our ideas. They can help us do abstract thinking. They can tell us whether an argument is, well, mostly they can tell whether an argument is valid or not. They can critically review an argument, whether it is valid, whether it is sound, or is it fallacious. They can do that kind of work. And with this ability, because language is at the core of everything that the humans do. So not only these LLM models like GPT that are at the core of ChatGPT, not only do they support us in doing language processing, in understanding the language, in generating the language, in checking the composition, in doing the translation, in writing essays, in writing answers, etc., etc. They can also help us, and they do, in understanding logical concepts. They can help in solving equations. They can help in doing mathematics, suggest strategies for problem solving. They can provide descriptions for visualizations. They don't generate images as yet, but they can provide descriptions for the images. They can provide descriptions for the architectures. They can write code. They can design circuits in Verilog or VHDL. They can recommend exercises. So they can help humans in a variety of ways. They can give a lot of information. They have ingested a lot of information. What comes as a core strength of ChatGPT kind of platforms is that it has made AI available to everybody. In almost just the way the PCs had made computing available to everybody in early 70s. So the way the PCs brought computing on the desktop, AI is now available to everybody. And it can support everybody in a variety of ways in whatever their job is, whatever work they do. ChatGPT kind of platforms can be customized, can be used by them. So whether it is planning, whether it is creative work, engineering task, testing something, linguistic constructs become very, very important in all such kind of work. And in creating such linguistic constructs, these platforms like ChatGPT can be a great assistance, can be of great assistance. They also give us the power to customize these platforms. Users can customize them through training with the specific data. Users can customize them through fine-tuning of the model itself, selection of the appropriate model. Of course, access to the APIs is important for that kind of work. But customization through specific inputs is possible even through ChatGPT. They can be integrated with other AI models. GPT-4 is already promising. In fact, it is already having the ability to understand images. And it is expected that soon in future, ChatGPT would also be able to pass on that benefit to its users. It can be customized on specific domains. So, by making AI focused on the language, large corpuses, large language model, these tools have become useful almost for everybody, because language comes in the work of almost everybody. And AI can help their work in expanding the possibilities, in generating more options, in bringing efficiency, improving quality, making people more creative. So I'm quite convinced that these large language models like ChatGPT, GPT-4, etc., are really the future of AI, and a lot more work is happening in this area, and a lot of research is going on, and we will see very exciting developments in the years to come, and these kind of models will play a big role in the future of AI. Thank you.